Stop wasting your money on new car subscriptions and plastic engines that break at 50,000 miles. You want luxury? You want power? But most importantly, you want zero repairs. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Lexus legends you can still grab for under $10,000 in 2026. From the Bulletproof ES to the sharp 2015 GS, these are the only sedans and SUVs that will actually save you money while you drive them. Let's stop the depreciation and start the engine. This is the ultimate Lexus value guide. Let's kick things off with the ultimate smart money choice. If your goal is to spend under $10,000 and practically banish your mechanic from your life, this is the car. The Lexus ES 350 is often called the Lexus Camry, and while some use that as an insult, smart buyers know it's the ultimate compliment. It means you're getting the most reliable mid-size sedan platform ever designed, wrapped in double-pane glass, high-end leather, and a suspension that turns potholes into clouds. In 2026, finding a car this plush that costs less to maintain than a lawnmower is a rare win. The mechanical secret, the 2GRFE. The reason this car is zero repair is the engine, the 3.5-liter 2GRFE V6. This is arguably the best V6 Toyota has ever made. Why? Because it's simple. No turbos to blow up, no complex hybrid batteries to fail, and most importantly, it uses a timing chain, not a belt. That's an immediate $1,500 saving right there. This engine produces 272 horsepower of silky smooth power. It's so quiet that at a red light, you'll genuinely have to check the tachometer to see if the car is even running. It's a 300,000-mile engine that asks for nothing but basic oil changes. What to look for? The pro tip. For under $10,000, you want to aim for the 2010 to 2012 facelift models. Why? Because Lexus perfected the formula in these final years of the generation. They upgraded the interior materials and fixed the minor oil line issues found in the earlier 2007 models. When you're inspecting one, check the dashboard. Some early models had sticky dashes, but most were replaced under warranty. If the leather is clean and the service history shows regular oil changes, you are looking at a car that will outlast almost anything on the road today. The verdict. The ES 350 isn't for racing, it's for winning at life. It's for the person who wants to sit in a silent, air-conditioned vault while their bank account grows. It's luxury without the ego, and reliability without the effort. The modern sweet spot. If the ES 350 was about comfort, the 2015 Lexus GS 350 is about control. In 2026, many people think you need to spend $40,000 to get a sharp-looking, modern executive sedan with a massive grille and LED accents. They're wrong. The 2015 GS 350 is the secret of the used car market. It's the final year before the major 2016 facelift, which means you get that aggressive spindle grille look and a world-class interior for a fraction of the cost. Under $10,000, this is the most modern, high-tech, and expensive-looking car on this list. Performance meets perfection. Under the hood sits a high-output version of the 3.5-liter V6, pushing out 306 horsepower. But unlike the ES, this is rear-wheel drive, or AWD, giving it a balanced, sporty feel that can actually compete with a BMW 5 Series. The magic here is the 6-speed or 8-speed automatic transmission. It's lightning fast but built with Lexus durability. This car features what enthusiasts call analog soul with digital comfort. You get a massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen and heated/ventilated seats, but you still have a naturally aspirated engine that growls when you step on it. No turbos, no lag, just pure, linear power that feels as fresh in 2026 as it did the day it left the factory. Why it's a smart money move? Why is the 2015 model the one to buy? Because by 2015, Lexus had solved every minor first-year glitch of this generation. The interior materials in the GS are significantly higher grade than the IS or the ES. We're talking about hand-stitched leather and real aluminum accents. Financially, this car is a fortress. While German rivals from 2015 are currently sitting in scrapyards or costing their owners $5,000 a year in repairs, The GS 350 just keeps going. You are buying a car that looks like $1,000,000 but has the running costs of a Toyota. In the world of equity, this is what we call buying the dip. The price has bottomed out, but the prestige is still at an all-time high. The insider inspection. When you're hunting for a 2015 GS 350 under $10,000, you'll likely find models with slightly higher mileage, but don't let that scare you. These cars are built for the long haul. Focus on the premium or luxury packages to get the best seats and that beautiful wood trim. Check the inner tire wear. The GS is known for having a bit of aggressive camber from the factory, which can wear the inside of the front tires faster. If the tires look good and the service records show consistent oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, you found a winner. You're getting a world-class sports sedan that will still be turning heads and running perfectly in 2030. The undisputed king of reliability. If you need more space than a sedan, but refuse to deal with the check engine lights common in European SUVs, the 2012 Lexus RX 350 is your ultimate destination. In 2026, the market is obsessed with complex hybrids and tiny, fragile four-cylinder turbos. The 2012 RX is the exact opposite. It is a Lexus tank. It's built on one of the most reliable platforms in automotive history. For under $10,000, you aren't just buying an SUV. You're buying a mechanical insurance policy that guarantees you'll get to work every single morning, no matter what. The mechanical perfection. 3.5-liter V6, 2GR-FE. Under the hood of this 2012 model is the perfected version of the 3.5-liter V6. By this year, Lexus had ironed out every single minor flaw. This engine is legendary because it manages to be both powerful and completely stress-free. It uses a heavy-duty timing chain, meaning you never have to worry about a $1,500 belt replacement. The transmission in the 2012 model is a bulletproof 6-speed automatic. It doesn't hunt for gears, it doesn't jerk, and it doesn't overheat. While newer SUVs are moving to CVTs that feel like rubber bands and brake at 100,000 miles, the RX 350 uses old-school, over-engineered gears that are designed to go 300,000 miles. It's the kind of engineering that makes mechanics lose sleep because they know they'll never see you in their shop. The practical luxury lifestyle. Inside, the 2012 RX 350 is a masterclass in ergonomics. Even in 2026, the leather feels thicker and more durable than what you find in a brand new $60,000 crossover. It's quiet, it's spacious, and it's practical. The rear seats slide and recline, the trunk is massive, and the remote touch controller makes navigating the infotainment feel second nature. From a financial standpoint, this is the safest place to put $10,000. The RX 350 has one of the highest resale values in the world. You can buy this car, drive it for 2 years, put 30,000 miles on it, and sell it for nearly what you paid. You are essentially driving a premium luxury SUV for the price of the gas and insurance. It is free luxury in its purest form. The 2012 Sweet Spot Buying Guide. Why specifically the 2012? Because it's the final year before the spindle grille facelift, which means it's the absolute best value. It looks a bit more understated, which keeps the price under that $10,000 mark, but it has all the same mechanical upgrades as the more expensive 2013 to 2015 models. When you go to inspect one, check the oil cooler lines. Lexus updated these to metal in later production runs, but it's a cheap 1-hour fix if they are still rubber. Other than that, look for a clean service history at the Lexus dealership. These cars were almost always owned by people who followed the manual to the letter. Find a clean one, and you've just secured a vehicle that will still be on the road when your neighbor's 2026 lease is in the scrapyard. The cheat code to performance. If you think a Lexus is only for grandpas and librarians, the 2013 IS 350 is here to prove you wrong. In 2026, most sporty cars under $10,000 are absolute money pits. Think of high-mileage German sedans with leaking turbos and failing sensors. The IS 350 is the cheat code. It gives you a 0 to 60 time in the mid 5-second range, a tight rear-wheel drive chassis, and a look that still turns heads at the valet. This is the final year of the second generation, the XE20, meaning Lexus had a full 7 years to perfect every single bolt in this car before it left the factory. The Bulletproof V6 2GR-FSE. Let's talk about why this is a no more repairs legend. While the smaller IS 250 struggled with carbon buildup issues that required expensive engine cleaning, the IS 350 uses the superior 2GR-FSE engine. This engine features dual injection, both direct and port injection. This is technical talk for the engine cleans itself while you drive. It washes the intake valves with fuel, preventing the gunk that kills other modern engines. You're getting 306 horsepower that is naturally aspirated. No turbos to lag, no intercoolers to leak, just instant linear power every time you touch the pedal. In 2026, a 300 horsepower engine that can easily reach 250,000 miles is the ultimate mechanical flex. The smart money styling. Why buy the 2013 model? Because it was the peak of this generation's refinement. You get the LED daytime running lights, the updated navigation system, and the most comfortable version of the sport seats. The IS 350 has a timeless design. It's compact, muscular, and doesn't scream for attention, but anyone who knows cars will respect it. Financially, the IS 350 is a goldmine. Because it's the high-performance version, it holds its value significantly better than the IS 250. You can buy this car for $9,500 today, drive the life out of it for 3 years, and likely sell it for $8,500. You are essentially renting a 300 horsepower sports sedan for the price of a Netflix subscription. That is the definition of equity garage logic. What to look for? The 10,000 hunt. Finding an IS 350 for under $10,000 requires a bit of a hunt because people don't like to let go of them. Look for models with 120,000 to 150,000 miles. Don't be afraid of the mileage if the service records are there. Check the dashboard and door panels for any stickiness, as that was a common heat-related issue in older Lexus models, though many were replaced by the dealer. Also, check the amplifier in the trunk. If the trunk seals were ever leaky, the amp could get damp. If the music sounds crisp and the engine pulls hard to redline, buy it on the spot. You're getting the fun of a sports car with the maintenance schedule of a toaster.